happy camper. And he bit it. That's going to be really hard to get that out of his mouth.
He went after it.
At least mine was in the lake.
Oh my God, that's scary. I don't know if I want this thing.
Come on, keep reeling.
Oh my God, are you fucking kidding me? Oh, Lori caught a caiman.
Oh, he's got a bee on his nose.
Oh, what are we gonna do? Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, look at, give me the look. Oh, oh.
Hang on to your phone.
Oh my God!
You don't want it?
No, I don't know. Oh my God!
Okay.
Oh my God!
Okay.
What are we
There
gonna
he
do?
is.
What are
Look,
we gonna-
here he
I'm sorry,
comes.
I didn't bite you.
No, it's not gonna bite me. Look,
Oh.
here he comes.
He's pissed. Ah.
Oh, you did get him in the leg. Good. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's take him around to the other side of the boat.
Yeah.
Let's take him around.
Oh my God! Oh God! Don't get him!
Here, let me take him around.